Linwood, home of the Rootes group, in the 60s. Soon to be shut down, unfortunately, and flattened. All our cars, Film and Imp, Comma van, Sunbeam Stiletto, Sunbeam Stiletto BMW engines, Singer Chamois Coupe, another Rootes van, Singer Chamois, Sunbeam Sport, Film and Imp, early Film and Imp Mark 1, Stiletto, another Imp Sport, Film and Imp Super, and here's a couple of late arrivals that didn't manage to get lined up earlier on. It's the blue Film and Imp, Scott's lovely Clan, finished in bright yellow. You certainly won't miss that. We've got Dave's Singer Chamois, sneaked in between Dave Devan's Singer Chamois and My Sport. Dave Longsdale, Sunbeam Imp Sport, tucked in at the end. And finally, got Andy Smith's white with a blue roof, Husky.
When we had that was after Imp 50 I put that on.
This is Dave the van. Hello, Dave.
Hello Gary, welcome home. Brought your Imp back home.
Yeah. So we're having a wander around. Look at this.
Hey, stop looking at you. Gary, thanks.
Sorry. Oh, it's the old Rootes factory. Absolutely fantastic. Some old posters on the wall. Film and Imp there. Another one. And they've got the big mural, which is wonderful. So just up on the first floor landing was the old Rootes boardroom. Still got the signage on the door saying Rootes Suite. Couldn't get in, so unsure what was in there, if anything. And then on the entrance to the main building was this fantastic floor. I'm not sure it's originally from the Rootes when it was built, but it was really, really nice to see. Just down the road from the Linwood factory is the old bridge. It says Talbot, home of the Avenger, just about readable. On the way back, we nipped into Greenock, and this is a picture of the Clyde in the distance. The weather was improving slightly. Also the old crane, which didn't look like it was in operation. Finally, there was some stainless steel statues, not sure what they were, but fascinating. Hope you've enjoyed it, and that's the end of our trip to Linwood and the old Film and Imp factory.